Hello everyone. This week's trade is gold. We've seen a breakdown, a bounce, and a key retest. The question is now, is this a pause before a major drop, or is gold about to reclaim its momentum? Let's talk technicals.
On the daily chart, gold has broken below year-to-date ascending channel and a triangle formation. It has been developing since April, so we're not discussing small moves here. We're talking about a structure that's guided price action for several months. So once that triangle broke to the downside, we saw a strong drop straight into 3,307. There's a support zone there, and then a steeper one near 3,270. Which, if you look to the left, it has been key levels multiple times this year. So now here's where it gets interesting. Gold bounced perfectly off 3,307 and now it's hovering around $3,360. Retesting the broken triangle support, now acting as resistance. This is a classic break retest pattern. When that happens, we watch for signs. Will price get rejected and head lower, or reclaim the structure and trap the shorts? Another sign is RSI. If we zoom in, it's sitting around 50. That means momentum isn't overbought or oversold. But momentum aside, the technical structure still favors the bears, unless bulls can pull off a reclaim. So now, which technical signals should we wait for? First, if prices fail to break above the lower level of the previous uptrend and we start to see signs of weakness, bears can watch out for 3,303, then 3,270 as possible supports. But what if bulls take control? If they reclaim 3,400 and we can see a bigger movement toward 3,450, the whole bearish structure is at risk of invalidation. That could open the door for another test of 3,490. So, is this a dead cat bounce or the start of a bigger comeback? We'll let the prices decide, but what I like from this trade is that the setup is clean, the risk reward is sharp right now, and gold is sitting at the decision point. Whichever way it breaks, it could define the next wave of opportunity. Let us know in the comments, are you trading gold this week or are you waiting for the macro to shift?